Introducing Cabernet Villa, now available for the first time in Bridgewater North Villas by Kiracofe Homes. This beautifully designed 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers 1,902 square feet of thoughtfully planned living space and a spacious 3-car garage. Step into the open concept great room with a dramatic double tray ceiling and a stunning floor-to-ceiling stone gas fireplace. The kitchen flows seamlessly into the dining area and features quartz countertops, custom soft-close cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and LVP flooring throughout the main living areas. The primary suite is generously sized with a zero-entry ceramic tile shower, tall vanity, and walk-in closet. Additional features include a bright sunroom or flex room, convenient laundry area, and spacious secondary bedrooms. Designed with accessibility in mind, this home includes wider doorways and hallways, 9-foot ceilings, and curb cut for easy entry. Enjoy a full yard irrigation system, professional landscaping, water softener, and the benefits of a maintenance-free community. All backed by a 10-year limited transferable warranty. The Cabernet Villa perfectly blends style, comfort, and functionality. Want to see this exceptional opportunity in Bridgewater North Villas? Don't miss out. Call Emily Whitmer to see the Cabernet Villa for yourself.